Is it the right time to buy or sell Fisker stock? In this video, we will delve deeper into Fisker. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, January 11, 2024. And now, we're here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Improve your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. From January 2, 2024 onwards, our system has identified Fisker as a strong sell candidate, with a score of -5.62. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant loss of -36.20%. This translates to an average daily loss of -4.52% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock is currently in a falling trend, presenting a potential selling opportunity for short-term traders. It is expected to react back towards the lower part of the trend. However, if the stock breaks up at the top trend line at $1.06, it may indicate a slower falling rate and potentially a shift in the trend. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a projected -83.35% change over the next 3 months. This suggests a possible return between -100% and -82.97%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected -49.59% change over the next year. This indicates a potential return between -46.17% and 126.02%. Therefore, the price range after a year could be between $0.560 and $2.35. Our latest update on Fisker brings some interesting news. The stock price had quite a volatile ride on Thursday, moving between 98 cents and $1.13. On the last trading day, Thursday, January 11, 2024, the Fisker stock price fell by -6.31%, starting at $1.11 and ending at $1.04. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 15.24%, reaching a low of 98 cents and a high of $1.13. Over the past 10 days, the price has fallen in 7 of them, resulting in a decrease of -28.28% during this period. Although the volume increased by 15 million shares on the last day, it happened while prices were falling. This might be an early warning sign, indicating a slightly increased risk over the next few days. Overall, approximately 44 million shares were bought and sold for a total of $45.93 million. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price of Fisker stock was $8.67, while the lowest price was 98 cents. Currently, the price is 88% below the 52-week high, which means it is at $7.63. Moreover, it is also 96.75% below the all-time high, which was reached on March 2, 2021, when the price reached $31.96. Today, let's take a look at the latest analyst ratings for FSR. On Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Needham gave FSR a hold grade with a hold action. Also on Tuesday, November 14, 2023, Raymond James gave FSR a market perform grade with a hold action. Moving back to Monday, February 27, 2023, CFRA gave FSR a sell grade with an upgrade action. Going further back to Wednesday, November 30, 2022, Evercore ISI gave FSR an outperform grade with an initialize action. And on Tuesday, November 15, 2022, Morgan Stanley gave FSR an equal weight grade with a hold action. Analysts have given Fisker stock a general rating of neutral. They have rated the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. However, for return on investment, the analysts have given the stock a sell rating. Let's talk about Fisker and the signals indicating its current market status. Unfortunately, there are currently few to no technical positive signals for Fisker. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest a negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these signals shows a general sell signal, with the long-term average positioned above the short-term average. As the stock corrects upwards, it is likely to face resistance at $1.26 and $1.56. However, if it manages to break through these levels, it could issue buy signals. On Friday, December 29, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, causing the stock to fall by -40.57%. It is expected to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also indicates a sell signal at the moment. It is worth noting that volume rose on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, it is advisable to closely monitor the stock's performance. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also show a sell signal 9 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicate a buy signal 85 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicates a sell signal 61 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average shows a sell signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average indicates a sell signal 60 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 53 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop-loss for Fisker. Today, there is no support from accumulated volume below the current level. This means that if the right conditions are met, the stock may perform poorly in the next couple of days. In other words, there is a possibility of a downward trend. Fisker stock is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements throughout the day. The Bollinger Band, a technical indicator, indicates a wide prediction interval for this stock, further confirming its high-risk status. Looking at the recent data, Fisker stock had a price difference of $0.149 between its highest and lowest points in the last trading day, which accounts for a 15.24% fluctuation. Moreover, on average, the stock has been experiencing a daily volatility of 12.97% over the past week. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Fisker, let's take a moment to go over some important fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio is a valuable metric that compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is currently experiencing losses or negative earnings. It's not uncommon for established companies to go through periods of decline, often due to external factors. However, if a company consistently maintains a negative PE ratio, it could be a sign of insufficient profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2023 is scheduled for February 26, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $0.200. It's worth paying attention to these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Today, we're going to take a closer look at some potential day trading levels for Fisker. If the stock experiences an upward trend, the first resistance level to watch out for is at $1.11. If you don't currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be breached before considering entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, which means that under certain conditions, the stock could potentially drop sharply. This is a situation that requires caution, and it's recommended to place bets only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such scenarios. The average rating for Fisker from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's dive into some recent insider trades. On January 8, 2024, Salinas Jose Angel conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On January 5, 2024, Hickson Mark E conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Zuckley Mitchell conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, McDermott William R conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. On January 5, 2024, Gruel Wendy J conducted an insider buy of 7,695 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -9.137. Overall, insiders purchased 2,722,778 shares and sold 3,667,772 shares in the last 100 trades. We have evaluated this stock and unfortunately, it has received a negative assessment. As a result, we do not recommend investing in it. Is Fisker stock a good buy? Unfortunately, Fisker holds several negative signals and is currently experiencing a wide and falling trend. As a result, we anticipate that it will continue to perform weakly in the near future, both in the next couple of days and weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this stock. However, upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. Looking ahead to trading on Friday, January 12, we expect Fisker to open up by $0.0102 and start trading at $1.05. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you acknowledge that you are solely responsible for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so please let us know in the comments below whether you agree or disagree. We're also curious to hear your target for the stock. And if you enjoy our content, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and a wonderful day.